What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? Other than that, let's just dive right into this beautiful beat making session with my lovely beautiful subscribers. So let's get it. We're up to something. Hold on. First, let's add some Valhalla vintage verb to make this sound a little bit wavier and more like in the background, because I found this sort of like flute string sound, and I'm just going to like lay a top melody over it. How you get like this bending sound is just put the portamento up, and that creates like that bending, like, oh, that's beautiful, bro. That's beautiful. Let's drop down the sample rate of this sound. So right here, 1000 resample, and drag that in there. Let's see how it sounds with like the bell reversed. Right now that is sounding super wavy. I'm going to try and flip the melody because it's sounding a little bit too basic. I think we can flip it into something really crazy. Also, make sure to stick around till the end because I'm listening to some beats again from you guys using the hashtag #SkanaBeats on Instagram, so make sure to stick around for that as well. Let's get it. Make sure you cut some lows out of the melody you made. That way you can like create some room for like the 808 and the kick to like punch through, you feel me? So make sure you're really listening to what you're doing. that's fire, that's fire. 808 is just like shaking the room. What I did with the 808 right here is Control C, Control V. That way you like duplicate the pattern, like the notes, and you just like drag it over, and then I'm pressing Option and then scrolling down, as you can see, and that way you create like even more punch onto the 808 because like it's double, it's like layered. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like layered and it's super fire, so might as well try it for yourself. I think I want to try and flip the melody, like maybe reverse it and see how that sounds. So we're just going to hit reverse, make sure it is on tempo. So the second melody that we made is really unique sounding. It's really something different. I don't know how to flip this, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description to this sample, so that way you can like download it and try it for yourself. Try to come up with like something crazy, because like I'm out of inspiration, bro. We flipped this melody so crazy, I'm out of inspiration with this. So please someone finish this beat and send it over to me. But before you click away, let's listen to some beats using the hashtag Skana Beats on Instagram underneath your Instagram post. So let's get it. Skana Beats. Oh, 290 posts, that's fine. All right, let's listen to this one. Let's see what this one is about. This one is from Flovery. It's sounding dangerous, sounding dirty. Shit. Shit. Ooh, that's hard, bro. No cap. It's simple, bro, but it works. I'm telling you, like, get a rapper like Wick or something onto this, and it was just like, go crazy. Let's scroll a bit up. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, that melody. Ooh, my days. Ooh, that delay is fire. Oh my days, this melody. Oh, I see you vibing, my G. And you're from Nigeria as well, my brother, bro. Shout out to you. Bro, this one goes super hard. All right, let's listen to one more. All right, let's scroll to the top, and right away these two guys, let's see what they're up to. Oof, we getting serious with this one. That's hard. Whoa, this one is damn, y'all been making some fire, bro. Damn, you guys been making some fire, bro. Keep working. Make sure you use the hashtags #beats underneath your Instagram post, and if you're already there, make sure to follow me at @beats. I might need to do like a West Coast tutorial because that beat was super fire. I got like super inspired by it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like down below and a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.